You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words, or this word that has different functions. It can either be a verb or a noun, and the pronunciation is going to be different, by the way, if you want to learn how to pronounce more vocabulary in English, more pronunciation, stay tuned. So as a verb, it's pronounced aggregate, aggregate. Stress on the first syllable, as in I aggregate some numbers, for example, aggregate, aggregate, all right, as a verb. Now, this can also be a noun. As a noun, it's a material, and it's pronounced aggregate, aggregate. So, an aggregate of different materials, aggregate as a noun. Or as a verb, it's aggregate. So you have two different pronunciations: aggregate, the verb to aggregate, or the noun an aggregate. Can you hear the difference? Can you pronounce those correctly? Was this video any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.